Hey everyone, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. Today, I want to go over some of the basic components of an electric bike. We'll start at the back of the bike. Our bikes have a rear hub motor. This means that the motor is laced into the rear wheel. The rear axle has anti-rotational hardware that keeps it locked into the frame of the bike. So when the motor spins, the axle remains fixed in position and propels the rider forward. Moving up the bike, we have the motor controller. I like to think about this as the brains of the bike. The controller will take direct current from the battery and turns it into alternating current that can be used by the motor. It will dictate how much power is being output by the motor. Next, we'll look at the battery. The battery is one of the most critical components on an e-bike, as this is where all the power is coming from. Our bikes use a cadence sensor to register when a rider is using their pedal assist system. As the pedals spin, a ring of magnets registers the motion and provides a set amount of power based on the level selected. Moving up to the cockpit is the LCD display. This is how you adjust how much power is being provided when you pedal. The twist throttle will provide power on demand and works independently from the pedal assist system. E-bikes are fun and easy to use, definitely not something you should be intimidated by. Hopefully, this quick walkthrough will give you more confidence when talking about e-bikes. Ride rad, stay tuned for the next video.